Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Mikey P here, back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Sidequest. Now, Sidequest is just an app or a program that lets you get more games on your Quest that aren't on the Oculus store. And there's a plethora of a bunch of free games. So if you like free stuff, man, this is a tutorial for you. I ain't about to waste no more of your time. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so to go ahead and get this started, what I'm going to need you to do is click the first link in the description, and that's going to take you to Oculus's developer page. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously go ahead and log in. So next right here where it says organization name, we're just going to come down here and create an organization. It does not matter what you name it. You do not have to be a developer. This is just to get Sidequest. Let's just go ahead and name our developer Sidequest. Oh, of course somebody's already using that name. So once you figure out the name for your organization that's not taken, go ahead and click I understand and submit. I agree, submit. Okay guys, so for this next part, you're actually going to want to go on your cell phone and open the Oculus app. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and that your Quest and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi connection. Hit menu in the bottom right and then click on devices. You should see your Quest connected here if everything's okay. Click on developer mode and then just go ahead and make sure that this is enabled. So guys, the next thing we're gonna have to do is go ahead and install Sidequest. So top, click get Sidequest. For me, download for Windows 10. If you're on a Mac, go ahead and grab that. As you see, it's gonna be downloading over here. Open it up, start the installation. Now, when you open Sidequest for the first time, you'll see that it says not detected in the top left. This is talking about your Quest. Your PC is not connected to your Quest right now. So the next thing you're gonna do is go ahead and plug a wire from your Quest to your PC. Now, if you don't have a USB-C cable, just go ahead and buy one, man. They're easy to find. Don't buy the link cable. It's not worth the $80 or whatever they're charging for that. Go ahead and get a substitute cable from Amazon or eBay or whatever. Even borrow a friend's cable if you need to, because you're only gonna need it when you install games. So I just plugged my Quest in, and as you can see here, it's connected now. Now, if you go into your headset, you should see a prompt that asks you if you want to allow this PC to yada yada yada. Just hit allow. It's just asking you if this PC can access your data. Hit allow. You might get a second prompt. Hit allow. Then boom, you're good. Now you can go and install whatever game you want. So I click this game and you can see that it says installing down here. I can also come up here to check the progress. They download really fast. Now this is a Sidequest game. Take note of what I'm telling you right here, because when I scroll down and I try to download Pavlov, this is an App Lab game. So keep in mind, because this is going to be important for the last step, but it works just the same. You just hit OK, and then you would come over here and click the blue button. I already have it, but you just click this blue button right here. So guys, this is the last step, and it's very important. If you got any of your games through App Labs, you have no problem seeing them in your menu. But if you didn't have to get that App Lab pop-up, you have to come over here and click on unknown sources in the drop menu. This is where you'll find your games. That's it for today's video, guys. I try to keep my tutorials real short and sweet so y'all could get to gaming as quickly as possible. So if I did a good job with that, man, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. If you guys need anything else y'all want me to show y'all, let me know in the comments. I also got a Discord server down in the description that I'd love for y'all to join, man. Till next time, it's your boy Mikey P.